Hi everyone, welcome to CMI's Digital Classrooms. Today we are going to learn about the next topic of your chapter 4, which is related to the reciprocal of rational number. Rational number we are learning, especially this chapter is based on division of rational number. Earlier we have learned about multiplication of rational number. So before learning about the division of rational number, first let's discuss about what a reciprocals of a rational number is. What does reciprocal means? So reciprocal of a rational number means whenever you are multiplying two rational number, if the product of those two rational number is 1, अगर वो दो rational number का sum जो होता है, product जो होता है वो 1 हो, तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Reciprocal of a rational number. So if you take an reciprocals of a rational number a by b, suppose the number is a divided by b. So what will be the reciprocal of a by b is b by a. Okay, because when you cut this, b and b will cancel, a and a will cancel, 1 will be the answer. Okay, so reciprocal means just opposite of that. You have to just do the inverse of that. We can write the reciprocal of this is like that also. Ki a by b ka what is the reciprocals of a by b? So a by b inverse. Okay, so we used to write that a by b inverse. Okay. So this is the inverse sign. Okay, and this is all about the reciprocal of a number, and this is represented as b by a. Finally, when you reduce this, you write this, we will write it like this. So this is all about the reciprocals of a number. There are some properties of reciprocals of a number. Okay. For example, of 1. The reciprocal of 1 will also be 1 only. What will be the reciprocal of minus 1? So reciprocal of minus 1 will also be minus 1 only. So these are the some common thing, 0, 1 and minus 1. So same, reciprocal will be same of this. Okay. So let's take some example of the reciprocals of a number. Actually, reciprocal of 0 is 0 means that doesn't exist. You can say that there is no any value of this. Okay. So this is unnecessary thing. So we cannot write that 0 by 0. That is simple thing. That so we can say in better way that there is no any reciprocals of 0. 0 का कोई reciprocals होता ही नहीं है. ठीक है? Okay. So this is all about 0. Suppose here some examples. Write the reciprocal of 15 divided by 7. So if you consider a 15 as a and 7 is b, so a by b we will write as b by a, just opposite of that. Okay, so reciprocal of this question number 1 will be 7 by 15. Reciprocal of second one will be minus 4 by 3. So if it is minus 4 by 3, then it will be minus 3 by minus 4. So what does 3 by minus 4 mean? Yes, so what does 3 by minus 4 means? Definitely it is minus 3 by 4 only. Finally that same thing as like if you multiply both the sign with minus then minus 1, then it will be same thing. So here it will be minus, don't write first minus, write 3 by minus 4, that means minus 3 by 4. And here question number 3 minus 8. Here in denominator nothing is there, so you can write it as 1. Okay, so it will be 1 by minus 8. So 1 by minus 8. So 1 by minus 8 means minus 1 by 8. So this is how you can write the reciprocal of a particular number. Okay, just opposite of that, just you have to change the inverse. So we can write it like this. 15 divided by question number 1. 15 divided by 7. Inverse is equal to 7 divided by 15. Okay. Question number 2 you can write it like this. Minus 4 divided by 3. Inverse is equal to minus 3 divided by 4. So this is how that one also. Okay. This is all about the reciprocal of a rational number. So now division of rational number. So division of rational number is also like the multiplication only. Just you have to check is reciprocal of that particular number. You have to just remember about the reciprocal as which we discussed now. Okay. So if there are two rational numbers, for example a by b and c by d. So suppose two rational numbers are there, a divided by b, you have to divide c divided by d. So these two rational numbers you have to divide, right? So what you have to say is, that means whenever a divided by b is a rational number and you want to divide another rational number c divided by d, then you have to multiply the reciprocal of c by d with a by b. So we can write this as a divided by b multiply the reciprocal of c by d. So reciprocal of c by d means what? A by b multiply b by c, right? So this will be the division of the rational number. This is how you can divide the rational number. If you can reduce here into the lowest fractions, you can cut here, so you can cut it, and whatever the answer will come, that will be the division of the rational number. So let's take some example. Let's try to find out with some examples. Okay, in exercise it is given multiplicative inverse. So the reciprocal is also known as multiplicative inverse. So don't confuse with that. If it is asking to find out the multiplicative inverse, that means it is asking to find out the reciprocal only. Okay, so reciprocal or multiplicative inverse is same. Okay, so question number 2, we can take some examples from question number 2. It is asking for simplifications. Okay, and simplifications of divisions of rational numbers, this is based on. So very simply you can simplify this. So this will be as it is minus 16 by 35, and this will become 10, and this will be the reciprocal of this. So reciprocal of 15 by 14 minus 15 by 14 will be how much? Minus 14 by 15. Minus 15 by 14 का reciprocal कितना होगा? Minus 14 by 15, right? So now you have to check if they can be reduced into lowest function. 7 over 14, 7, 5 over 35. So it will come as minus 16 multiply minus 2 divided by 5 multiply 15. So minus minus plus it will be 16 to 32. Okay, so 32 divided by 75 will be the required answer of this question. Okay, so this is how you can simplify all the questions of question number 2. Okay, just you have to keep in mind that reciprocal of this you have to write. Okay, and in case of writing the reciprocal, don't forget about the negative number. Negative number will always come in upside. Okay, so how this you can understand with this example. For example, reciprocal of 15 by 14, someone will say that no, it is 14 divided by minus 15, right? हम लोग इससे पहले पढ़े थे, we have learned in our fractional number that 14 by minus 15 means we can write it as minus 14 by 15, right? How? Just multiplying minus 1 with the numerator also, just multiplying minus 1 with the denominator also. So if you multiply this, it will be minus 14 and this will be minus minus plus 15. Okay, so this is how this will come. Okay, rest of all we have already learned from here as like the multiplications of fractional number. So you have to do as like the multiplications of fractional number. So this is how you can simplify. Now let's see this type of questions how you can solve. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so how can you fill in the blanks like this? So to fill in the blanks, you have to consider something here. Okay, so you can consider x also, or you can consider a by b also. Why a by b? Because it is also related to the fractional number. So that is why you can consider a by b. So let the required number is, let the number is a by b. So we have considered this a by b. So then it will be how much? It will be 9 divided by 8 divided by a by b is equal to minus 9 by 2. So now this will be the reciprocal of this. So 9 by 8 multiply b by a is equal to minus 3 by 2. So now this will come this side. If this come this side, then it will be divided. So b by a is equal to minus 3 by 2 divided by 9 by 8. So now this you need to change into the reciprocal of this. Okay, that is multiplicative inverse of this. So b divided by a is equal to minus 3 by 2 multiply 8 divided by 9. So 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9, 2 1 are 2, 4 are 8. Okay, so it will be b divided by 8 is equal to minus 1 multiply 4, so minus 4 divided by 1 multiply 3, so 3. So if b divided by a is minus 4 divided by 3, that means a divided by b will be 3 divided by minus 4, that means minus 3 divided by 4. So a divided by b will be minus 3 divided by 4. So the required answer will be here minus 3 divided by 4. Okay, you can verify it also by dividing this set. Okay, so 9 divided by 8 multiply reciprocal of this will be minus 4 divided by 3. So 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. So definitely you can see minus 3 by 2 1 are 2. So minus 3 by 2 comes that side. That means this answer is correct. Okay, so this is how you can do the fill in the blanks type of all questions of this exercise. Okay, I hope you understand. I am recapping once again. I am revising. अगर इस तरह का कोई भी क्वेश्चन आता है, we will consider first the number, required number is a by b. a by b अगर होता है, इसका रेसिप्रोकल निकालेंगे, b by e हो जाएगा. अब this we will take into that side. अगर ये हम लोग इस साइड में लेते हैं, so it will be divided. So b by a will be minus 3 by 2 divided by 9 by 8. So when you change this into the inverse reciprocals of this, then it will be minus 3 by 2 multiply 8 by 9, which is opposite of that. And then when you reduce this into the lowest fractions, it will be minus 4 by 3. So as this is b by a, but we need a by b. So a by b will be the opposite of that, 3 by minus 4. 3 by minus 4 means minus 3 by 4. So this is how you can solve questions related to the fill in the blanks. Now let's discuss if this type of question is asked that the product of two numbers is given and one number is given, you have to find the other number. As like the normal, if I am saying if the product of two number is 10 and one number is 2, then what is the other number? So how you will solve? Definitely we will consider another number is x. So if you consider another number is x, so x multiply 2 is equal to 10. So what you will do? This will divide this side. So x will be 10 divided by 2. So 5. So that means x will be 5. तो इस तरह से हम लोग निकालते हैं कि अगर दो का प्रोडक्ट दिया हुआ है 10, एक नंबर दिया हुआ है 2, तो अदर नंबर क्या है, जस्ट उसको डिवाइड करते हैं. So यहाँ पे भी here also we will do the same. Okay, so first you have to consider the other number. So let's the required number. Let us the required number. Let's the required number is x. ओके, सो मान लेते हैं वो नंबर जो है एक से हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो वो जो है इसका सम ये हो जाएगा. ये तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर इज 8 by 9 दिया हुआ है. सो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर इज गिवन 8 by 9 एंड वी आर कंसीडरिंग अनदर नंबर इज x. ओके, सो दिस इज द one of the number is given this. Okay, another number we have considered this. Okay, find the other number. So other number is x and the product is given minus 8 by 9. Okay, so let's see what it will be. That means x multiply this is equal to this, right? So x multiply this one minus 4 by 15 is equal to the product of the two number is minus 8 by 9, right? So here if you take this into this side, it will be divided. So x will be equal to minus 8 divided by 9 divided by minus 4 by 15. So now you have to find the reciprocal of this. So minus 8 divided by 9 into reciprocal of this will be minus 15 divided by 4. Okay, so 4 1 are 4, 4 2 are 8. Now 3 3 are 9, 3 5 are 15. Okay, so here it will be how much? Minus 2 multiply minus 5, okay, divided by 3 multiply 1. So it will be 5 to 10 divided by 3. So that means 3 whole 1 by 3. So the required number which you want to multiply, you have to multiply is 10 divided by 3, or you can say 3 whole 1 by. So we will write as the required number is 10 by 3 or 3 whole 1 by 3. We can write 10 by 3 only. Okay, so as you miss. So this is how you can solve this type of problem wherever the product of two number is given and another number is given. Okay, so this type of problem will be there in your exercise also. So I hope you can able to do by yourself. Okay, so if still you find any doubts, you can ask. So here next type of questions which is there in your exercise is by what number should this be divided? इस नंबर के साथ इस नंबर को कितना से डिवाइड किया जाए so that the answer we got is this much. Okay, so here also same thing we will do. Let the required number is x. Okay, so it is asking from 44 divided by 9 how much we should divide so that the answer is come minus 11 by 3. This is the division. So this first you have to convert into the inverse of this. So it will be minus 44 divided by 9, and this will be changed into the 1 by x, reciprocal of x. Okay, so it is equal to minus 11 by 3. Now this you are putting into that side. So 1 divided by x will be minus 11 by 3 divided by minus 44 by 9. Okay, so now the reciprocal of this will be 1 by x is equal to minus 11 by 3 multiply minus 9 by 44. So 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9, 11 1 are 11, 11 4 are 44. So here it will be minus 1 multiply minus 3 divided by 1 multiply 4. So it will be 3 divided by 4. So 1 by x is equal to 3 divided by 4. So x will be is equal to 4 divided by 3. Thus inverse of that. Okay, here you have to consider x. So you have to here change also. Someone may be right up to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 will be incomplete answer. Okay, so after that you have to change into the reciprocal of x also. Okay, so if you change it to reciprocal of x, it will be 4 by 3. 1 by x is 3 by 4. So x by 1 will be 4 by 3. Right. So this is how the required answer will be 4 divided by 3. Okay. Now let's discuss one word problem. This is asking about the cost of this much of meter of cloth is given. You have to find the cost of 1 meter of cloth. Per meter means 1 meter of cloth. So this is very easy. So here we will write the cost of 2 whole 1 by 2 meters of cloth is equal to rupees 78 whole 3 by 4. Okay, so you have to find the cost of 1 meter. Therefore the cost of 1 meter of cloth is equal to rupees 78 whole 3 by 4 divided by 2 whole 1 by 2. Okay, so let's divide. First reduce this into the this is a mixed fraction, so you have to reduce it into the proper fractions. Okay, so to reduce this into proper fractions, you have to just multiply this and add this much. So let's check how much is there. So 8 4 are 32, 3 carry 31, 302 plus 3, so it will be 305, 315. So 315 divided by 4 divided by reciprocal for 5 by 2. So 5 by 2. So reciprocal of this you have to find out now. So 315 divided by 4 multiply 2 by 5. So 2 1 and 2 2 are 4. Okay, so this one will also be cancelled. 5 is there. So 5 6 are 30. 5 3 are 15. Okay, so 63 by 2. Okay, so 63 divided by 2. So 63 divided by 2 means, if you convert it into the means fractions, it will be how much? 2. Check here. 63 divided by 2. 3 2 are 6. Okay, so 3 2 1 are 2 1. Okay, so 31 whole 1 by 2. So 31 whole 1 by 2. So this much of meter of cloth you can make. Sorry, this much is the price, rupees. This is in rupees, so you write the rupees symbol also. This much of rupees will be the required answer of this answer. So cost of 1 meter of cloth will be 31 whole 1 by 2 or 63 by 2 rupees. So this all about the division of rational number. So I hope now you can do in homework exercise 4F by yourself. This is your homework. Thank you. Have a good time. Take care.